Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gussie here, aka Independent Gus or whatever. For those that are new, thank you for tuning into this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know you're gonna see content that you like, so you might as well subscribe. And for those that are coming back, I hope you subscribed, because if you're coming back and you haven't subscribed, then does that even make sense? And if you have subscribed already, you already know what's good. Thank you for tuning in. Today I filmed this look as a little tribute to my SL people, my Salone people for our Independence Day. That is the 27th of April. I created this look. I wore my blue contacts, got my white eyeballs and my green eyeshadow. I tried to step out of my comfort zone on this one because I do not wear green, and yeah, I really like this look. I really tried. I feel it's very cool. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below what you think of this look, and stay tuned to see how I achieve this beauty. As you've noticed, I have done my eyebrows off camera. I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. To prime my face, I used some NYX Bear With Me and my Black Opal finishing powder. Then I just used some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the colour Fawn, and like I said, my Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my brows. So yeah, in today's tutorial, we'll be using our MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the colour NW46. We loving it. I've been breaking out, guys. It's so bad, like I always have. I think it's the quarantine snacks, but it's all good. Now I am going to prime my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then I am going to use my blending brush to just pat that in. Then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender on this side. This one just absorbs everything so much quicker. Now that my eyelids have been primed, I am going to use the Morphe 35B Colour Burst palette, and these are the colors. And I'm going to hopefully use the ray of green here. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do this because I do not like wearing green. So this is going to be something that's completely brand new to me. I think the first color I am going to go in with is this one, and this is called Ziggy. I've never even used these colors before either. Don't even know what they look like. The next color I'm going to use very lightly. I'm going to try this yellow here, and this is called Sunshine. Very lightly. Gonna put it up here. Go back in with that green and just keep blending. Next, we are gonna go in with this dark green right here and just pop it in there. I am going to add a tad of black. It's called Pebble. And we just go over with every single color. making sure there's no harsh lines as well. Don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm going to cut the crease. Cut the crease. The shimmer color I am going to use is this one right here. It is called Morphe Burst. This is a bit scary. I'm gonna put it in the middle. I told you guys, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone because this is not me at all. Like, I do not do green, and look at where it's got me. Like, don't know what this means. Who am I? Who am I? Then we add a tiny bit of black, aka pebble, tiniest bit, just to juke it in there. This is so bold. Don't know how I feel. Next, we are taking our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And like I said, I will be stepping outside of my comfort zone. So I plan to blend this out with a brush rather than a sponge. I do have my sponge on deck for the finishing, but I don't want to blend this out with a sponge. And just see what that kind of looks like. We are going to take this pointed foundation brush to blend. I should have washed this out first. Do like the brush blending. This is not even damp, but just to add, take a bit of the moisture off. And then we are going to add a tiny bit more, just on the O side. This is where you would add a lighter concealer, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna add the same one. Next, another step that I'm doing that is not a part of my normal routine is to use a liquid contour. My sister is darker than me, so I'm using her foundation. And this is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the color Nibia. This is not even dark enough. Let's see if she's got a contour color, because this ain't gonna work. So we are switching up the plan because this is too light and it's not a contour color. But turns out my sister's got a LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany, so I'm going to use that. Oh, this is dark as hell. Definitely a lot darker. Damn, my forehead is so big. Make the forehead look a little bit smaller, because damn, so big. And I will be using, I don't know the name because it washed out in the washing machine. I'm liking this though. We are going to do this in stages because I feel like my concealer needs to be set. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier in the translucent powder. I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Next, we are going to set our contour with our contour powder that I do normally use all the time. Hopefully it doesn't make it look ashy or anything. My forehead is looking massive. It's okay. I think it's time to contour my nose. I'm not going to put cream contour on there because my nose gets really, really oily. So I'm just going to use powder. But what I will do is use some contour to contour. I do not have bronzer just yet. Quarantine got me stuck, like, so I'm just gonna use this and then just set that with the powder. So I have put my eyeliner, mascara and my lashes on off camera. I'm still low-key, high-key baking. So next I'm going to apply this Laura Mercier Secret Brightening powder, and we are going to use just a tiny bit, literally the tiniest bit. And we're gonna set our under eye again. Now, before we wipe off everything and set our face and stuff, I want to again try a little something new. We are going to use our Jackie palette. Boop, boop. And we are going to use Sponsored. I never use it, I've just swatched it now, but we are going to put that waterline. I don't know if this is a good thing. I never do this step. Don't know if I'm using the right brush. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Anyway, then we go in with our sleek twist up eyeliner. I want to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Don't know where my brush is, so I'm just using this annoying brush to set my face. We are going to use our Morphe blush palette, Warm Master. I think I'm going to go for MUA and Unapologetic mixed together. let me know what you think so far. Do you like it? Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you're feeling this so far. We are going to add a little bit of MUA. Like going back in with my contour. We are going to do an inner corner highlight. I think we gonna use, so we are going to use Dollars on the Jackie palette. Take a small brush like this one. And I'm even going to use this just to do a little bit of a dot here. My highlight is trash, we know. My head looks so big, it's so bad, but it's not that bad, trust me. Just to add a little bit of a tad bit extra, we are gonna go in with Salone and just dab it. Our last step before we do any lippy, and today we gonna go for the dewy look. We are going to use our Morphe continuous spray, continuous mist even. Love it. So I've got my Morphe matte lipstick in the color Boo. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm actually really proud of myself being able to create a cute vibe. I had to do my green, white and blue eye look. Tell me what you think. Make sure you comment down below. I want to know what you are thinking of this look. I'm like digging it so much. Like surprisingly, I'm feeling ghetto as hell. I'm like, ain't nobody talking to me. I don't know, I'm really digging this look I created. I love it. Out here representing my country, you know, Sierra Leone, for our Independence Day. So I created this look. Tell me what you think down below. I want to know. Also, have you subscribed? Before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe. Click the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications. It looks like this one. And yeah, make sure you follow me on all socials, Independent Gus on Insta, Twitter and Snapchat. And I will see you in the next one.